In this video, I'll show you how to unlock PDF file without password. To get started, go ahead and open your browser on your device so you can access this website on any device that you have. It can be a mobile device, a tablet, or a PC. In here, go ahead and look for the tool that will allow you to unlock your PDF file. So scroll down and click on this Unlock PDF button on the list of services that you have to be able to use this service. Now click on the select PDF file, and on your local drive, go ahead and click on the PDF file that you want to unlock, and then click on that unlock PDF at the bottom right of your screen and download the unlock PDF. Now once you head over into your download section, you'll be able to find the unlock PDF to your downloaded file. So simply click on that and you'll be able to open that PDF file. That's basically how you can unlock PDF file without password. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.